Back on your screen, bringing you a new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join the Daddy family today. And today, right now, we are gonna be going to Brookmere Hotel. We're gonna be going there because paying the rent is so hard in this very nice house. This house is very nice, but it is not that. I already talked with the owner about it, and he is gonna give me a room he's gonna give me the room number. because now I'm gonna be working at Brookmere because I am so close to Brookmere with the hotel. And I know it's in the highway, but it is basically in Brookmere. Well, hello. Hello, sir. Can you show me to my room number? Okay, you're gonna type it on the computer. Okay. All right, thank you. So he said that it's gonna be room. Let's find it. Oh, room 16. We just passed it. Okay. We are here. Oh my goodness. This is a one-person. This is a one-person hotel. I cannot even make parties. Well, look at this great view. And wait, I actually like my old house, but it was too expensive for $196 a month. Not like that. So we had to go to the hotel right now. Wait, hold on. Is it gonna rain? It turns on my phone that it's gonna rain. Is it really? And there's gonna be a tornado. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go ask him. Oh, sorry to disturb you guys. Okay, I'll be the one to knock on everyone's door to evacuate. Hello, I heard there was gonna be a tornado, right? Oh my goodness! Okay, I have to evacuate everybody from the hotel. Let's start with the first house, number 10. Hello? Yeah, you need to evacuate because it is dangerous and there's gonna be a tornado watch. I know it doesn't look like it's gonna rain, but there's gonna be a tornado. Hello, there's gonna be a tornado. I know, there's gonna be a tornado, but you need to evacuate this city. You need to go back, far away. Okay, oh wait, I forgot to start with the downstairs. Okay, yeah, you need to evacuate. Just evacuate, don't question me. Okay, let's ring the doorbell. Yeah, evacuate the city right now. Yeah, you need to evacuate the city right now because it is really, really bad to be here. Hi, oh, I forgot to ring the doorbell. Hello. You really need to evacuate the city because, just evacuate. Hello? You need to evacuate the city, because it is very, very, very bad. Hello? There's gonna be a tornado, so just evacuate the city because there is gonna be a tornado. Hello? Can you evacuate the city because there is gonna be a tornado? Evacuate the city because it's gonna be a tornado. Last house. Evacuate. We need there's gonna be a tornado. What one child with daily not finished. Evacuate. Evacuate the city. Evacuate the city. Okay. Evacuate. Evacuate the city. Evacuate the city. Okay, that was our last one. Now we are gonna evacuate the city with them because